Inspiresport had the great privilege of hosting an event at our US headquarters in Atlanta. With our good friends and partners Soccer.com and Vigo, we were able to bring club leaders from across the nation to watch a West Ham training session, have an unrivaled tour of the Mercedes-Benz Stadium, and pitch-side access to warm-ups. It was a great event, and we look forward to hosting many more events very, very soon.
The trip has been fantastic. I think the connections, the networking has been fantastic, but even so, obviously seeing Graham Potter and West Ham train.
It's been an amazing trip. We've seeing West Ham up close, meeting Graham Potter and the players, getting up close. That kind of access is amazing. Going to the games has been a fantastic experience.
Getting to meet the other directors from other clubs that I have not had exposure to has been really interesting, just to hear their experiences with Soccer.com and Vio as well, and that's been overall pretty good.
The opportunity to meet with the coaches, the referees, the staff from big clubs, small clubs, professional teams is something that you would never get